Hello my dears, and welcome to Holiday for the Heart. I am Salina, and today I'm so excited. It is the first video where I'm really talking and sharing with small exercise, but also talking about emotional intelligence. And to really see where you already have it in your life, how you can see that you're already using it, how to know what it is actually, and how to, if you block yourself from using it, how you can step again into your heart space and go with the flow. Okay, are you ready? Before we start, you're always welcome to like and subscribe my channel, and there will be more coming about the heart connection, about all of the heart and the freedom for yourself. For the beginning, we start with a small exercise, because emotional intelligence, it's hard to get with the brain sometimes. We don't have to get everything with the brain. So let's dive into our heart space. Rub your hands, increase the heat. It's really hot and you feel it in your fingers. Put the hands, the palms on your heart. Close your eyes with the inhale. And exhale. Drop into your body. Take another deep inhale. And exhale. Allow yourself to feel the warmth of your hands. And for the next minute, allow yourself to really feel what is there, what is happening inside right now. Can you feel the rising of the chest with the inhale? Exhale, lowering. Or can you feel your heart rhythm? Can you feel the blood circulation? Whatever thoughts there are, center them into your heart. What are you really feeling here? Warmth, softness, acceptance, like a frequency, maybe your own melody. Get aware of all the little sensations. Another deep inhale and start to smile. Exhale, smile even more. Beautiful. How is the smile affecting your inside? Smile even more. Keep it going. And you can stay with the eyes closed. Or otherwise, slowly open your eyes. Relax your hands. Welcome. Welcome to your heart space. It's always so close. You don't have to search in the outside to get more wisdom, to get more knowledge. You have everything you need already inside of you. That's the magic. And that's the key. You got it at the beginning. Um, so the emotional intelligence, it's the emotions, it's really you're inside the world, it's the feeling. And sometimes you can have like a bad day and it influences your whole mood, but you can also have a pure, lightful, joyful, easy flowing day because you're fully in the flow of the energy of the day and you're just connected and everything is so smooth and you're so happy and blissful. So we have this variety of pure depression to the highest high and then all the balances in between and the varieties in each direction. So to really allow this and to really step into your power, it's all about surrendering. And surrendering not into your brain, because those are the old methods of, I'm not a doctor or physiology, or I even don't know how to say all those names, honestly. But I can tell you about this. And there are a lot of tools how to question, how to figure out all the synapses, how it works. But the real thing, what is happening inside of you, you don't need any tool. You just need your own alignment to read yourself and to understand what is happening. And this is also what intellect means. When I was looking it up, it's about awareness, self-understanding, and the capacity of logic. But logic for me is like getting it with the brain. But the intelligence is like really observing what is happening and then allowing yourself to combine it. It's like combining everything with each other, because there's always the full abundance. Everything is always connected, but sometimes we can't see it. And I think we can only not see it when we are not connected. Because when you're truly in your heart center and you just surrender in the moment, surrender in the flow, and like just be, it's like when you're in the river and you're just floating. The river takes you where you need to be. And sometimes it's like a crazy waterfall and it's like going down. And then after the waterfall it's more flowy and smooth, and the water like had this wildness and craziness. Now it's like just flowing with ease. And so this is like we always have everything. It's just where are you right now in your river, and it's your own river. And to understand more that you're already having it, I can give you just some examples. So just 2 days ago I was like, I had this feeling, I want to call my parents. So I went to my phone and I was looking at it. I was like, just grabbed it. I was like, yeah. And at this moment I was just like looking at it and whoa, it was ringing. And I saw like, my parents are calling me. I was like, what? And I started to laugh and I was like, oh wow, like this is like synchronicity of life. And like, wow, okay, this is how it works again. And you can also like, I was blocking myself from it also. Also happened just a few weeks ago, and I was like, I just moved to a new place, and my cat, and he was directly outside, so I was like, yeah, he's in the jungle, he's happy, he can jump around. But then it was like, it got really rainy and he doesn't like thunderstorm, he gets really afraid of it, and it started heavy crazy rain, and I was like and I got in this fear mood. I was like, what is if something happens to him, because I didn't see him all day and maybe he doesn't know how to come back to this place. And I was like, oh my god, what should I do? And I was like going through the rain and calling his name, and after a few minutes I was like, okay, this doesn't work. So I was going inside, sitting on my bed or lying down, and I was like still in this, oh shit, what is if something happened, oh my god, like how, like why, and like and then I was like, okay, relax, exhale, focus on your exhale, just exhale, relax yourself, calm your own, if you calm your own nervous system, like you calm your whole body, and especially also your emotional body. And I think after maybe 10 minutes I reached this point and I really felt my heart beat again, and it was like okay, and I was like, I think it was out of my brain, I was like completely in my heart, and in this moment I heard like meow and I was like, he's there. And I was like, okay, I'm happy. He's back. I mean, it was nothing big, but like small things, they can show you what it is. It can even that you are in a conversation and you say the same things at the same moment, just the same words. Or you also know when you are connected with your emotional intelligence, for example, when you're working and everything is just flowing with ease into each other. I was working in a cafe, and like when I gave my friend the cup, for example, and he just like grabbed it already in the air, like, and it was like, we didn't need to say anything. It was like such a ease flow, like you don't have it with everybody. It's really special. And then you also know like with whom you have it. Maybe there's more, and it's like with more ease, because you already can stay in your own ease. You can trust yourself and surrender in your own beauty. Because the more you allow yourself just to be you, the more you are in your heart space, and the more others are in their heart space. And if you have, sometimes it's not easy with everybody, but if you have it more and more with people you trust, and it's like it's getting stronger, the bondage even in your own relationship and in the relationship with the others is also growing with every event, every dance of life. So one more exercise. I love exercises. And I really feel it's like we have so much in our brains. Let's like jump out of the brain and dive into the heart space. Are you ready for the last exercise today? And it's super simple. You can include it in everyday life. Inhale, even with eyes open, and exhale, feel your fingers, and feeling them, allowing them to move, and be fully aware which finger you are moving. Is it one, are they two? Big movement or small? And from there, maybe even want to feel your finger and really be aware of what is happening inside. How does this touch feel? Does it feel joyful? Are you curious to explore your finger? Oh my god, there's so much feeling in it. How does it feel for you? And may this movement include the whole fingers, the whole wrist, maybe your whole arm, so you really let the whole system flow. The fingers are connected over the meridians and all the organs and everything to your heart space, so they are just like the end of the nerves of your heart. So feel into them, connect with your fingers, allow to be playful with yourself, and enjoy yourself. It's so much pleasure in each moment. So open yourself up to these little sensations of pleasure, of bliss, of love. So fully charged. I thank you so much for joining me today. And whenever you feel disconnected, come back to your breath, to the flow of air. Feel your heartbeat, connect with your fingers, smile. There are so many little tools, and yeah, please let me know in the comments if this was helpful for you, if you want to dive deeper into a special feeling. And yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you are here. Namaste.